We got a big box here. Yeah, this is a very interesting shoe that I got. Kind of need to see what it looks like, but it should be a good purchase. Should be a good purchase. Let's see what I got. That's a similar logo right there. If you watch my red boots video, you know exactly what these are. Or you just might know what these are, just to begin with. Yellow box with the boot logo there, and it has the holes in it, and the strap here indicated. Kind of different than how the red box was. Paper says Crocs, Mschf, Croc, Mschf, Croc, Mschf. I want y'all to really like see this. Get on this side. Big yellow boots, got the holes in them, got the strap. Yeah, the bottom. What you think about these? What do you think about them? I mean, they them. They them. Yeah, they most definitely. They them. They're ugly. No, they're not ugly. They're not ugly. They're not ugly. Go try them on. All right, I'm gonna try them on. Yeah, guys, so these was the big yellow boots. Most definitely different than the red ones, but I got them. And we gotta bust a move in those. I don't even know what type of moves to do in these. I got you, let's go. All right. I put up on the side. I let it get surprised. I'm on the program, been closing my eyes. I can't even tell you nothing but you lie. I had a cut on my ties, I can't even tell her nothing cause I cried.